Oh well, I just put in my contacts, so now I can't see. Welcome to day 31. This is the last day of doing special effects every day in a row. Timmy, stop. Hey. Bro gets obsessed with scratching himself, and then he hurts himself, and then gets mad at me when I stop him. Anyway, so I was gonna do angel dust again for this and just like paint my whole face and then use the UV paint, but I didn't want to do that. I didn't feel good enough, I guess, or something, I know. For the last day. Great. Anyway. I have these palettes that I have not used ever in my life, so I'm going to use them for... if I can open my eyes, damn. You guys are experiencing technical difficulties in real time. Good now? Fuck. The only time I used this was when I swatched it. That was it. And I don't know if you can... Oh god, I'm gonna be so out of the way. There we go. Is when I swatched it, and it has these beautiful dead colors. This is for them, it's their monster wheel. And I also have one of their alcohol palettes, which I know pretty much all my alcohol palettes are the Ripper FX or the Skin Illustrator, but I do have one Ben Nye palette, and it is the Undead palette, and it's got these things which are pretty much in all my other palettes as well, but I haven't used Ben Nye specifically. I don't know how it acts, because their cream makeup's really good. I really like their cream makeup, but I've not tried their alcohol. So we're gonna do that today, and today we're gonna make myself look drowned. Now, I have done this a few times. I don't think I've ever recorded a tutorial of it, so we're here now. As I've done a few strangulation ones, and I don't know if I recorded that one either, actually, now that I think about it. I'll do that one too eventually, but, yeah. And that's why my hair looks like shit, because it's my hair wash day, and I'm gonna get my hair wet for this, so don't judge me. Okay, and that is the look. We're being dead. Now I just have to wet my hair and possibly put in contacts. We'll see. They're the ones I used for my frostbite video, and they are completely white out. Like, I cannot see a single fucking thing with those things on. So we'll see if I actually wear those or not. Slay. And yeah, wait, I should probably have like a better ending for that because that's the last video in this series of doing special effects every day for a month. You might honestly get the Valentine's Day video before this because I slacked on my editing a bit, so I'm sorry. I'm busy, I have a life. But yeah. Look at Tim. Look at my Tim. My Tim. My suitcase. Did also have this, which is my muddy stuff. I might add some of that because I'm also gonna add sweat all over me, which is this by Ripper FX, which basically just makes me wet looking. Yeah.